Hi, everybody. Welcome to NuttX International Workshop 2025. And we are here with many people and a special guest, Mr. Greg Nutt. He, the creator of NuttX. And we want to just do some brief introduction and thank you all for being here. A special thanks for uh, Xiang Shao and people from Xiaomi to host the event, to get the hotel. Um, Thanks for George to help here uh, with the technical details. Thank you, Alan, for making all this possible, and Tomek as well for technical difficulties like we have today and we always have. And there are many other people that I want to say thank you. Uh, of course, if I stay here, say thank you for everybody that helped, we have 1 hour probably. So I want to pass to Mr. Greg Nutt, if you can, talk a little bit uh, about the introduction, what means NuttX for you, and feel free to say what you want.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the workshop. I don't have a lot to say. Um, we're holding the workshop now in Costa Rica. This is the off season of Costa Rica, so it's dark and rainy, but a great time to be indoors to see a workshop. And I hope you all enjoy the presentations.
Perfect. Thank you. Ali, I will pass to Shang Shao just to say hello and say some words as well, and then we'll go to you and Tomek.
Hello, I'm Xiao Xiang. It's nice to here to join this year's workshop, and we also have bring maybe 7 or 9 topic about the recent year or last year what we do for NuttX. Thank you for your enjoying our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, this year we have after the NuttX workshop, we have the open vela. Ali, now is you.
Thank you, Greg, for being together with us. This is the sixth international workshop. The first one in which we actually managed to meet in person was in Gugda in 2019. And we are really happy to have you here in person. And we hope that you will enjoy the event. Thomas?
Hello everyone, it's Tomek from Poland, Europe. I'm behind the streaming stuff, so thank you everyone for joining, for hosting. Special thank you to Gregor and Nat for creating and sharing NuttX. Have a good time.
Perfect. So let's start. Our first presentation is from Alin, right, Alin? So you uh, please let's start your presentation and we'll continue after that.
Sure, give me just a second. Technical difficulties as expected.
Take your time. While you prepare it, I want to say something about this presentation. As you said a few days ago, I think this is one of the most difficult NuttX International workshop we did because this year the event was happening here in Costa Rica. So we have many difficulties to organize, but with the help of everybody, people from here, the hotel, people from Xiaomi, from other places that help us, or other companies that help to intermediate, we got it working. So I want to thank you, everybody that helped on this. The people from Hyatt Place Hotel, the hotel here in Costa Rica, they help a lot on this event. So we are thankful to them. Unfortunately, some people cannot join us. For example, Harrison was supposed to be here to present about CMUX, and because he's coming from Brazil, uh, Brazil has yellow fever. So to come here in Costa Rica, you have to take shot, to take vaccine. And he had the vaccination, but you need to have a formal document proving that you take that vaccine. So unfortunately, he cannot be here. Is uh, really sad because he was very helpful, not only present in his presentation, but also helping here a lot. But it's okay, it's part of that. And that's something is my guilt. I just remembered that I didn't deliver the T-shirt for you guys yet. So I'm sorry, I will find where I put the T-shirt and give you for each one. Are you done, Aline?
Yes, we are live with the slides.
Okay.